It's not just Jackson that deals with flooding. Leaders in the city of Canton say they're doing everything they can to prevent the damaging flooding that they've seen in the past. Leaders say that they've had crews clearing out ditches so water flows and does not cause backups. There's a multi-million-dollar flood project called the Bear Creek Watershed Plan that will hopefully prevent the problems they've had in the past.
We're looking forward to seeing the project get started. And I believe that the citizens of Canton will be pleased.
Now, the project is being funded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture.